Hi everyone, my name is Tomoe from SONO ORGANIC. Today, I will show you how to enjoy your Japanese tea Sencha and Tamaryokucha. First, prepare water. Boiling at least 5 minutes hot water. Pour into that hot water into kyusu, Japanese teapot. This way, you can make the water temperature for roughly about 10 degrees in Celsius lower. After kyusu, Japanese teapot, get warm, then you can pour into that hot water into teacup. You can make the water temperature 10 degrees in Celsius further lower. This way, you can adjust the water temperature, measure the amount needed for the tea, and make the teapot, kyusu, and teacup warm in advance. For water amount, if you wanna drink high quality premium tea, I recommend to use less amount of water. But for casual tea, you can use more amount. Second, leaf amount. 1 cup for 1 teaspoon. And if you brew only for 1 cup, I recommend to use a little bit more leaf amount. And measure the leaf, put into kyusu. Third, infusion. Please bring the adjusted temperature water back to kyusu, Japanese teapot. And wait it for 1 to 2 minutes. If you make the adjusted water temperature lower, I recommend to wait longer time. And if you make the adjusted water temperature relatively higher, I recommend to wait shorter time. And 4, pour the tea into cup. We call it mawashitsugi in Japanese. When the tea is ready to drink, you can pour it little by little so that the tea amount and water color almost the same. And please pour out all liquid so that you can enjoy second and third infusion. If any water remain in the kyusu, it may keep infusing, so it's less tasteful when you brew second and third infusion. And serve with coaster, chataku in Japanese. Thank you for watching Sono video. I hope this helped you to enjoy your Sencha and Tamaryokucha. Have a good day. Bye bye.